We are excited to announce that we're powering up the way we serve you by providing an elevated customer service experience with our Customer Services Portal. Always there, always on, 24/7. It's about greater resources. Obviously, you can still count on us to be there when you need us through our live support when you call our contact centers. Our remote service engineers, resource planners, and field service engineers are here to support you. We've simply identified more opportunities to serve you better. It's about innovation. As part of our ongoing pursuit of service excellence, we're proud to introduce our Customer Services Portal. The portal makes life easier by offering you an online platform from which you can manage your Philips products and related services. Available 24/7, this innovative cloud-based service tool was designed with our clients in mind. You will now have easy access to documents such as your service reports, customer service receipts, test and inspection reports, and time and material quotes. Intuitive navigation to quickly locate the info you need, and enhanced reporting and analytical capabilities. Even better, with the Customer Services Portal, you'll be able to manage Philips products and services across all of your devices. You will be able to log into the Customer Services Portal to take advantage of features such as viewing the status of your products by device type, contract, warranty, or location. Creating and updating new service requests. You can create a service case in Portal, request an update, monitor the status of your case and activities to date, as well as the next steps to resolve the issue. Web cases are automatically visible for your remote service teams to ensure that diagnostics starts right away. Adding protected health information that is encrypted and only visible to authorized staff. Uploading files and attachments. Viewing the end-of-life status of your Philips products. Our service commitment to you is to continuously improve our organization, processes, and platforms. We look forward to delivering greater value to you in these ways and more. Always there, always on, through our Customer Services Portal. If you'd like to learn more about the Customer Services Portal, reach out to your Philips representative and request a demo. No account yet? Visit us at philips.com and request an account. At Philips, we are striving to make the world healthier and more sustainable through innovation, with the goal of improving the lives of 2.5 billion people a year by 2030.
Philips.